that shit turned up, man. Bill sees. I saw the whole thing, but I ain't gonna be here to say, man. Get here.
I ain't no fucking up thing. You just, dude, I didn't hit you. I'm coming out. You hit me when you in the middle of the motherfucker. Bro, you saw me pulling out this motherfucker, nigga. You saw me pulling out this motherfucker. Stupid ass bitch.
Cool.
Dumbass nigga, man. You seen this shit?
Yeah, I saw you fuck up, cuz.
Huh?
You bullshitting, fool.
No, bro. I'm pulling out. This nigga's supposed to fucking stop. You
No
see
hazard
me?
lights on.
Bro.
None of that. You pulled up. You saw me coming around.
You stop. You slow the fuck down.
I ain't slow down, nigga. I got the right of way.
Slow you.
I got the right of way, fool.
You see me coming out and
I
trying to
got the right of way,
Bro,
fool.
you see me
I got the right of way, fool.
Fuck out my face off. Fuck out my face off. I ain't touching you, bitch. Yeah, call the police out here. Yeah, call the police.
River's like,
Bitch, make sure I'm fucking in there. Come on.
hey, man, don't get in front of this camera, man. God, I ain't gonna be 15 fights.
Hoe ass nigga. Come on. It's 52 fight. Yeah, hey, you got the truck, hoe ass nigga.
What's up? I'm bullshitting. Let me get right. He trying to show out now. Cook and put that fire on this nigga. It's been slapping. You're.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
This nigga must have got insurance. God damn.
He ain't supposed to be driving his truck right now. Yeah.
Call the fucking police.
They already here.
Who you looking for?
Yeah.
I'm fucking Baltimore, girl. What the fuck?
Get the police on.
Yeah.
What's the hell he like this? He was behind looking the whole time. You saw you? Yeah. Oh my God. Oh man, I don't know. I stopped and then this shit happened. I don't know. You gotta talk to them guys, bro. Yes, sir.
Trying to get around?
Yeah, you gonna block traffic for me? Fuck with me. Let me get up out of here. Let me fuck up out of here. He gonna get hit with the sauce.
Yeah, he can go to jail now, stupid ass nigga.
He put his hands on me first. You just touched me first. I'm pressing charges. I want to press charges.
Oh, that nigga crazy as hell. Man, that man crazy as hell, fool. Damn!
Stop over here and build down a rock.
I'm trying to rock.
Damn! Don't hide it. Damn! Cuz, you bullshitting, cuz. You going 201, cuz. And your truck. Hey, don't forget your glasses, my nigga. He gonna need them glasses. Hey, man, want me to send you the video, guy? You want me to send you the video, bro? I mean, if you need, you know what I mean?